Okay, folks, tonight, this is number 2. We're trying it with Cheetos bag. This is such a bad idea, but I don't know. We're gonna do it because we want to know if it works with other bags. So here's gonna be your answer. Doors opening. The Cheeto bag is going in. It's laid down flat. It's empty. Doors closing. So bad. This is going on for 5 seconds. And fuck us. Hopefully this doesn't burn the place down. And oh my god, I think it worked. I think it worked. Oh.
What'd you do?
Oh my god. Kind of smells like smoke in here, but we're good. Look at that. Look, it worked.
FYI, they don't work here. They don't work here.
Look, it worked. Does it smell in here? Are we, it's long and skinny.
The bag is too big.
Oh well. It worked though, just if you were wondering. Cheetos bags do shrink. It's not just sun chip bags.
Wow.